What is up, guys? Dancho, Capital Master, the NFT King, and today we'll talk about what affects the price of Bitcoin and other markets, guys. Alright, this is very exciting, and if you're asking me where am I trading Bitcoin as well, so I will explain everything you need to know about how the markets move and Bitcoin as well. So first of all, guys, I'm trading obviously at Vanilla Finance. It's the best right now. You can own one Bitcoin for $10. And guys, I've made a previous video regarding this. If you didn't watch it yet, click the link on the description below. But basically, guys, what affects the market, alright? So I will give you the general topics for me to explain. But first of all, guys, it's demand, and then also market sentiment. There's also regulation. There's competition, cryptocurrency exchanges, cost of production, right, market cap, and news, no? So there can be a celebrity tweeting, right, especially Elon Musk, right? So if Elon Musk tweets, you know what happens, guys. And obviously a lot of factors to consider, like governance as well. And obviously, guys, market move based on certain things, no? A lot of factors. So for example, guys, US government is filing different kinds of lawsuits and towards exchanges, no? It's very crucial and important, no? So it can change the price of certain things. And for example as well, the FTX exchange, the fraud, no, of the CEO. And we should be aware about the latest news, like what happened to the FTX scandal. And you all know that the market went down during those time. So you have to be aware of certain cases, like for example, is it also Christmas, holidays, right? So there's are the certain factors that you need to consider. So a lot of things, guys, to consider when trading Bitcoin. And aside from that, no, those factors, the most important factor to consider is the current state of the market, if it's bullish or bearish. Meaning, guys, you know, if the news, okay, when you go to Google and most of the news are negative, then chances are, you know what will happen, Bitcoin will be negative as well. So you can be updated with the news as well. Aside from the famous celebrities, famous influencers, and businessmen like Mr. Elon Musk, who has massive amount of followings because he owns X, which is formerly known as Twitter. Alright, so moving forward, guys, aside from what I've said, okay, Bitcoin is neither issued nor regulated by a central government, no, just for you to be aware. And the price is affected by its supply, the market demand, availability in competing cryptocurrencies, and investor sentiment, no? For you to be aware as well, this is an example chart of Bitcoin, guys, and I will give you some strategies when trading, guys. Alright, so usually, guys, when trading, I want you to always trust your gut, alright? And especially if you already studied about the basics of trading, buying on support, selling on resistance, then you already understand the fundamentals, okay? So for example, guys, this is a solid support of Bitcoin. Looking at the chart, this is the solid resistance. So basically, resistance is the line of the chart where the Bitcoin never rises further, okay? So as you can see, guys, no, around 73k, Bitcoin goes down. So if you want to buy close to this level. So you can see it's closer to the support, meaning it's good to buy. So what will happen? Usually, guys, if it's like this, then it will go down further here, but it will go massively higher. So when trading in Vanilla Finance, you can check the prices and buy Bitcoin on the necessary amount of support that you want to go in. So for example, guys, you want to buy now, okay, it can potentially go near this next resistance, so you have to be meticulous about it. So you can see, guys, it's very simple, no? So whether whatever exchange you're using, you can easily see, okay, the prices of Bitcoin, and you can adjust yourself or be alert about the entry. Okay, so obviously if Elon Musk tweeted, okay, he said, Bitcoin, I invested 100 million in Bitcoin, it will go higher in 2025, in New Year, for example, then Bitcoin will go higher. Alright, that's the concept. So me personally, I will trust my guts when investing, and it's time for you to invest in the #1 exchange, guys, Vanilla Finance. Check it out right now. You can own one Bitcoin for $10, and I really love it, guys. Alright, so that's everything you need to know about how markets move, how Bitcoin move. right? A lot of factors to consider, especially the perceived value of investors in the project, or especially the market cap, right? And news as well. So if you learn those things, if you analyze and did your own research, and you have a lot of friends as well who are updated with the social media updates, then you are very on top of the chain already, because you have a lot of backups that could claim that Bitcoin will go higher. Okay? You have a lot of confidence already that Bitcoin will go higher. But for me, I will invest in Bitcoin because I do believe that Bitcoin will beat this next resistance at 73k mark. So from 61, I think it will go 74k. Okay, so Danjo Capital, the NFT King. Have a nice day. Till next time.
My bags are packed, I'm spreading my hands. The tickets to a distant